everyone is a leader. Everyone has the ability to be a leader. How do I take that first step in the professional setting, within my career, within my company? What should I do first? And what does it mean to you to be a great leader in a manufacturing plant or within your facility or your company?
Yeah, I mean, first step for me, to be honest, I think is personal leadership. My definition, and I'll go with the Brene Brown definition of leadership, and that's helping, coaching, influencing people around you to reach their highest potential. That includes yourself. And what I see so frequently, and I was one of them, like when I walked out of, saving $30 million and I got all this pushback, I checked out of that job. And I think what we can see now, especially in this time with COVID, is your attitude about how you show up every day. It's a big deal. And not only does it affect you personally, it affects everybody around you. That attitude that affects everybody around you, it comes home with you. So it's not only like, oh, it's just affecting, my supervisor or my direct report. It's, affecting my wife, my kids. And to me, that's the first step, is really taking ownership, saying, I'm a leader. I'm going to own how I show up. I'm going to bring that attitude like you do, like everybody at Upkeep does, is bring that positive attitude and really watch that ripple effect come out around you.
One comment saying here at Upkeep, again, it's not about what you've done in the past. It's what we think, what you believe you're going to do in the future. And to me and to us, that's that whole like grit over prestige. It's not about like the prestige of all the things that you've done in the past. It's about what you want to do, that grit, that hustle that you want to achieve out in the future. And having that, I think, enables people to believe in themselves, to say, hey, whatever I did in the past, whether it's good, whether it's bad, like I have the power and influence to affect my future.
These people, they have, bad management teams. They don't get money for projects. They don't get support for projects. And so they check out. And that's 70% disengagement that you see that Gallup reports every year. The reason people check out is they see that their job has no meaning. Their job doesn't impact anything. Their job, basically, if they walked out the door, nothing would change. First off, that's a fallacy. Like, if you show up with the right attitude, you can impact change. And for a lot of your customers, a lot of your listeners, it can be something as simple as like walking around the shop floor at your manufacturing facility and talking to an operator and just being a good friend to them. Like, you don't even have to change how they work, but just like really leaning into this personal connection and really making sure that they understand that you value them. And I think stuff like that just goes a long way.
Absolutely. And that pushes everyone to, I think what you're pointing out is, have a sense of purpose. And when you have that sense of purpose, you do your best life's work.